What's better on a crisp fall morning than these pumpkin caramel chip muffins? Nothing. Moist, full of those warm spices autumn's famous for, and perfect for sharing. These muffins are a great way to start your day. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a medium bowl, add your 3 cups of flour, 1½ tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1½ teaspoons of salt. Give it a good stir to combine everything and set it aside. In a large bowl, add your 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, 2 cups of sugar, ½ a cup of applesauce, 4 large eggs, ½ a cup of apple cider, and stir well to incorporate, making sure to dig down at the bottom of the bowl. Add half of your flour mixture to the pumpkin mixture and gently stir. Then add the second half of your flour mixture and stir until the batter just comes together. Now it's time for the sea salt caramel chips. I add half and then stir it, and then add the second half for even distribution. Add some muffin liners to your muffin pan and grab your ice cream scoop. Add 1 level scoop of batter or 3/4 of the way up to the top to ensure that the muffins are uniform in size. Bake in the oven for 25 to 28 minutes or until a cake tester or toothpick comes out clean. Place on a rack to cool for a few minutes before serving. Pumpkin caramel chip muffins are every flavor of fall that you could ask for, from pumpkins to apple to caramel. They make an excellent grab-and-go breakfast, and if you're feeling generous, you could always make friends. Matter of fact, these disappeared in record time with coworkers. For the full printable recipe, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.